everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Hands-Free Reader, the new VR headset reader from Plan D. To start off with, you'll want to choose either an ebook or a PDF or another supported file format and then click on the Read button. Or what you can do is buffer up some of your favourite URLs and then click on Read Web Articles. I've got the screen set up behind me to show you what I see. Now watch my head movements. I'll use them to control Hands-Free Reader. In order to start the text scrolling, you'll want to use the quick tilt head gesture. If you want to make the text scroll backwards, all you need to do is look up naturally and the text will scroll back. And finally, if you want to skip to the next web article, all you need to do is use the quick tilt head gesture as before, but this time hold the tilt.